So, there's no objection. So, Mr. Diskaya, you are cited in contempt of this committee.
Also why Mrs. Diskaya is not here.
Hindi po siya makakarating dahil po sa mga valid reason po.
Mr. Chair, if I may, what is the valid reason?
May ano po siya, yung may heart condition din po siya at saka po nagpadala po siya ng letter po dito. Hindi ko lang po nabasa kung ano yung iba pang content.
Meron bang medical certificate to prove and establish na talagang valid yung kanyang ailment? Dahil baka mamaya gawa-gawa lang itong valid umano
Okay,
na reason.
for the information of everybody, sumulat po si Mrs. Neto, the Honorable Chairperson, so forth and so on. Subject, inability to attend the Committee on Accountability of Public Officers. I deeply regret to inform you that I will be unable to attend the Committee on Accountability of Public Officers and Investigations, fourth public hearing scheduled for September 18. An important meeting with my employees on the day of the hearing to explain the problem that the company is facing now. I have an important meeting with my employees on the day of the hearing and the effects this has on them. This meeting was already scheduled before I received the Honorable Committee's invitation this late afternoon. Committee's understanding and patience in this matter. Thank you very much for your consideration. Very truly yours, signed, Cesara Rowena C. Diskaya.
Mr. Chairman, with that letter, nagsisinungaling itong si Mr. Diskaya na meron daw karamdaman yung kanyang asawa.
Mr. Chair, nanumpa ito to tell the truth. And dito, harap-harapang nagsinungaling ka, binabastos mo kami, niloloko mo kami. Di ba? Huwag mo kami lokohin because the chairman has the power to cite you in contempt. I mean, do not do that. Iba yung sinasabi mo, medical condition. Kung may medical condition, sige nga, bigyan mo nga kami ng medical certificate. Iba yung sinasabi, mismo na misis mo eh. Di ba kayo nag-usap? Sana nag-usap muna kayong dalawa. Ano bang palusot ang gagawin natin, sweetheart or darling?
Mr. Chair.
You lied. You lied. Paano pa kami maniniwala sa mga pinagsasabi mo?
Senator Estrada is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.